How to allow TikTok access to camera and microphone. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. So if you're trying to create videos but TikTok keeps asking for permission, follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the plus button at the bottom. This opens up the Create screen. If you haven't given access yet, you'll see a message saying, "Allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone." Now you can simply tap Open Settings right there and turn on the permissions. But if that option doesn't show up, here's another way. Go back to your home screen and find the TikTok app. Press and hold on the TikTok icon, then tap the little Info I button. Select Permissions. Under Not Allowed, find and tap Camera and change it to Allow. Do the same thing for microphone. And that's it. TikTok now has access to your camera and microphone, and you're ready to start filming and posting content.